Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ali Venture, and yes, this is Grow with this channel where I get to teach on how to create YouTube videos, how to get your videos monetized, and how to edit your videos like a pro. In today's video, I'll be sharing about Restream. I made a video, I think about 2-3 months ago, and in that video, I talked about how to use Restream. This one showing up here, how to use Restream to get more subscribers and much watch hours on your videos, right? On your YouTube channel. In this video, I will be finishing what I started in that video. Click on that video, get to watch and see how to start. But I'm going to ensure I take my time to explain to the end how to use Restream platform to get you more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours. Now let's get right into the video. I'll be showing you a screen record on my phone. Continue from where I stopped with that video. I'll be showing you a screen record on how to go about this. Okay, to get this done, we're going to go to a Chrome browser and then you type in restream.io. When you have done this, you're allowed to open up. Now, if you're yet to log in, just go up and do sign up for free. But if you've logged in before, click on continue with Google and then enter the particular account you want to use. For me, I'm using this Afrique brand. That is my second channel. So I'll go on and pick the one I want and then still give it some time to open up. When it has opened up, I'm going to click on continue. Now, after clicking on continue, you still give some time again for it to load up and take it to the site that you want to, continue your video. Now, when it opens up like this, yours will not show like this because I'm certain that this might be your first time. So what you need to do is to click on that area that says new. When you click on that, the next pop you're going to have is this page. Now, after this is done, go on and just turn off your mic, turn off your camera. Mine is turned on, and that's the reason why I have that pop up down there that says permission something, right? So when you have done this, you're going to click on enter studio without camera. Because I've turned off my camera and my mic, I don't want my background noise to be reflected in the video, or for my background, my environment to show up in the video. So I'll just click on enter studio without camera. All right, I'm hoping that as we come to this point, you can kindly leave a subscribe for me, leave a thumbs up on this video, give me a comment, and don't forget to watch the beginning of this video, the part one of this video, so that you can further understand how to use it, just in case you are a new subscriber, in case you are new to the Restream app. That video explains how you can begin the first part, how you can log in correctly, how you can download. I went through how to download in that video and do all the necessary things that need to be done. Now, when you are successfully signed in, this is what is going to show up next. Now, when you are here, you want to pay attention and ensure that you click on the right things so that you don't get to miss out. Now, you go ahead and click on add scene, right? Now, let's first of all ensure that up here you have where you have that logo sign showing. Ensure that you click on it and ensure that it's the right channel that you want to have logged in that is showing there. So when you have ensured that, you go ahead and click on add scene. When you have clicked on add scene, it's going to give you a drop off that says new scene. Click on new scene and you're going to have add sources, right? The next thing you're going to see next is add sources. Now click on add sources and ensure that your layout is on portraits, not on landscape or desktop mode. It's on portraits. You want to restream using the portrait mode, right? You're not inviting any guests, you're not using the one that is two in one. You're just going to leave it at portrait. Now, when it's like this, go ahead and click on add sources, and then you're going to have this drop down. Click on video. When you click on video, it's going to bring you here. Now go to upload video to upload a video that is at least between 0 to 15 minutes, right? That's the longest. And then the file size should be at least 250 MB, right? I already have three uploaded there, so I'm just going to pick the one that I want, right? I picked one, and since I'm using the free one, I can only have three per upload. So I'm going to click on the particular one I want to restream and then give it some time to load up. Now, why this is as you can see it now reflecting here. So I'm going to also go ahead where you have live with Restream. I'll click on that button there and go ahead to enter my title, the title for this video. And if I have a description as well, I'll go in and enter my description. We also go in and enter a thumbnail. I should have created one, but for this video I did not. But if you already have your thumbnail on your phone, you click on that thumbnail part to change the thumbnail to what you would prefer. Now, after putting in the title and putting in the description, I'll just go on and click on save. Just go on, scroll down, you see the save button, update all. Go on and click on update all, and then you're ready to live stream. When you've clicked on update all, this is what you have now. So you can just easily go live. So I'm just going to, where you have the live button down there, you can just go ahead to click on live and begin to go live. But there's something important that you also need to know. Now, before you go live, see this music part, you can go ahead to still click on the music part to pick a music that you might want to use for the video, one that is free, not the one that has crown, but one that is free. But I am ensuring that me, I use my own voiceover for my videos, so I'm not using any music to avoid copyright issues. So I will just go ahead now and click on the three dot sign showing up there. I'll click on that. When it opens up, I'm going to click on loop video, right? I'll turn that on and leave the what's it called, leave the volume of my video, leave the audio of my video. I won't turn that off because I want it. So I'm going to click on, go down and click on go live, and then after the countdown my video is going to begin to play. Right, this is all. Right, this is as simple as this. Now you need good network reception to get to restream, and you need your phone to be fully powered for you to restream. You can restream for as long as 11 hours 50 minutes. If you get to 12 hours, YouTube will not count it for you anymore, so it's safe that you do 11 hours 50 minutes. Now when the live stream is on, just in case you want to check your comments, this comment sign here, you can just click on it, and then you're going to be able to see the comments that are dropping in during the live stream. For you to be able to understand this video better, just go ahead and watch that very first one I uploaded and learn how to, sign in, learn how to upload your video there. As you can see, I have one person already viewing. If you zoom into this, you see that I currently have like 18 people viewing. If you've watched this to this point, it simply means that you somehow got value from this video. And for this, I am so glad. Thank you for watching to the end. And I'm hoping that I'll see you in my next video. Have a blessed week and bye for now.